Hello, dear parents. As you know, now we have started online payment mode for school fee. So today in this video, we are going to tell you the important steps which you have to follow while making online fee payment. You can make online payment either through smartphone or computer. There are two ways to get connected to the site. First way, open your browser, type school website name. It is www.dabmanali.com. After that, press enter. Once you enter, you can see home page of our school website. Here you have to click on online fee option. As you can see on the screen. Here you can directly either go to the notice board where you'll get option pay online fee of session 2020-21. Click here. After this, you'll reach to this window. Here you can read all the instructions related to online fee payment. You have to click on the option pay online fees of session 2020-21. After clicking on it, you get this window on your screen where you have to enter username and password. In username, you'll have to enter student's admission number, and in password, you have to enter date of birth of the student. While entering date of birth, you have to keep this point in mind that first you have to write date, then month, then year. For example, 10/02/2010. If you want to reach to this window directly, then there's one more way. You just have to open browser and type www.davmanali.com/OSM, and after that press enter. You can directly reach to the user login window. For instance, here we are making payment for the student named Anjali Bhagat. Here in username, we are entering her admission number. As here her admission number is 1952, we have entered. After this, in password, we have to enter her date of birth. After this, click on login button. Here you can see student's detail, student's name, father's name. After this, you have to click on pay due fee. After clicking on pay due fees, you'll get the entire detail of fee for what you have to pay or not. Take cursor on the particular months for what you want to pay. Click on the checkbox. Here, it takes time for processing. After that, you'll get a detail of fee. But if you want to pay together for more than 1 month, then in that case, you have to click on the months one by one for what you want to pay. For instance, here we have selected 3 months, April, May, June, and total amount being shown here is 7,200. But here we are making payment only for 1 month for the selected student Anjali Bhagat. Here we have selected the month April. We'll go to the amount 2,400. We'll click on pay. It takes time for processing. After that, you get the option pay with. Here you have to select the mode of payment. You can make payment by debit card, credit card, net banking, and UPI. If you have debit or credit card of HDFC Bank, then select one of the options. If you have cards or accounts in other banks, like SBI, PNB, etc., then in that case, you have to click on the option Other Bank Credit or Debit Card. If you want to use net banking, then click on Net Banking. If you want to pay with UPI, then choose the last option. Here, for instance, we are paying with PNB debit card. So we are going to click on Other Bank Debit Card option. After clicking on it, you'll get this screen where you have to choose or select the name of your debit card. Here we have RuPay card. So we are going to pay with RuPay card. Then in the second option, you'll have to enter the number of your card. In the next option, you have to type the name of account holder. For example, here we are entering Sunil Burma. In the next option, enter validity period of your card. For example, here the validity period is February 24. And in the next option, type here CVV number, which you can find on the other side of your debit card. CVV is always of 3 digits. After this, confirm payment. You have to click on confirm payment. It takes a few seconds for processing. After that, you'll see such screen. Just click on submit. Now you'll get OTP, one-time password number on your registered mobile number. Check it and enter this OTP number and click on submit. Now you'll get OTP number on your registered mobile number. Enter OTP number and click on submit. After that, you'll get fee receipt on your screen. It shows that your payment is done. Now you can take either screenshot or print it for future use. So in this way, you have done the online payment. If in case you want to check status of fees, then simply click on these 3 lines and choose Home option. For which months you have already paid or for which months you want to pay. Click on Pay Due Fees. Here you can find the status of fees. So the months for what you have paid, they will automatically get deactivated, and for what you are yet have to pay, they will be activated there on the screen. For which months you haven't paid, they will remain deactivated. As here you can see on the screen, we have just made payment only for the month of April. So it is automatically deactivated. And the other months for what we have not yet paid, they will remain activated over there. Thank you so much. If in case still you have queries, then please make a phone call to the given numbers on the screen. We are there to help you. Thank you so much.